and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to change email address on Steam. To change email address on Steam, what you need to do is firstly you need to open the Steam app. After you open the Steam app, tap on the top right question mark. After you tap on the question mark, scroll down and tap on account details. After you tap on account details, over here you can see in contact info, manage email preferences, change my email address, add a phone number, tap on change my email address. After you tap on change my email address, you will see over here email and account verification code. I no longer have access to this email address or did not receive a code. What you need to do is you need to tap on email and account verification code. After this, you need to enter your verification code and tap on continue, and after you tap on continue you will be able to change your email address. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.